So the COMX-35 build has started. Here's an ad from back in the day. The clever computer COMX-35 for business, okay, personal, education, home, fun. 35K of RAM and expandable to 67K. Built-in joystick and speaker, yeah. High resolution color graphics, okay. Super enhanced basic, all right. Uses standard TV recorders and cassettes. Only $1,000 in current Australian dollars. Yeah. And so this is from Australian Personal Computer, sometime in 1983. And this address actually bounced around quite a bit. Every month there was a different address, so that must have been fun. It must have been fun working for this company back in the day. So the build has started. I've put in what I can, which is basically resistors, capacitors, and IC sockets. I've gone for a blue power LED. And let me just twist this around. And what he's implemented here is an LED that flashes apparently when data is being read in. Oh, that's the video out. I don't know why I'm pointing at that. What's that? That's ear and that's mic. So with data being read in from the tape, this should flash. So I've gone for green there. So there, yeah, that's cassette input, cassette output. 2 crystals here. A third crystal, optional. This one is for the turbo mode. So depending on what type of 1802 chip you get, you can run it at, say, what is it, 3.2, 3.5 megahertz, or even 5 megahertz, or even higher, depending on the type of chip you get. So yeah, so yeah, obviously it depends what chip you get. Then you can get a crystal to run it in turbo mode, which you can see here actually. So instead of using just headers, I've got switches, which I'm not. They weren't the ones I was going to use originally. Let me just turn this around. These are the ones I was looking for. I couldn't find them. So instead of just using a header, you've just got basically a switch you can use. So I'm going to replace these ones here with that. Let's see. So yeah, so all the chips are ordered. They're all on their way. All the other parts are ordered. I've used a combination of Element 14 and Mouser. And for the keycaps, I've ordered them directly from KDMP. And I will put a link once they arrive. I'm not, according to the COMIX GitHub, DSA-profile, blah, 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 they should work. I haven't gone for what he suggested of keycaps I've chosen are basically all 1U, so they're all 1 unit wide, same as all the other keycaps, with a 6.25 spacebar. Whereas he has, we've got for the carriage return 1.5, for the shift, where's the shift? Shift over here, 1.25. Yeah, so I've just gone 1 unit for all of them. So I don't think that'll make too much difference. 1 unit there, 1 unit there, but a 6.25 unit spacebar. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so that is the current status. Just waiting on the remaining chips, hopefully next week.